A very good morning, class. We are in the chapter number 2, the Stone Age. And in the last video, we covered about different ages from Paleolithic to Mesolithic to Neolithic ages. Today, we are in the last part of the chapter, that is Chalcolithic Age. Last part of the chapter is Chalcolithic Age, wherein we are going to see the time period when this age was, that is from 4000 to 2000 BC. Okay, the major developments, major inventions during this age was of metals. So in one line we can say that the Chalcolithic age is the age of metals, or Chalcolithic age is the age when the metals were discovered. So copper was the first metal which was discovered by the early men. Copper was the first metal which was discovered by the early men. Later on, with the need, the invention again took place. I told you that necessity is the mother of invention. As and when you require things, you invent. So that is what happened with the early men. Whenever their needs arose, whenever their demands arose, they started inventing different things. And after the discovery of the metal copper, the next invention was tin. The next invention was tin. Later on, they mixed copper and tin and discovered a new metal which was known as bronze. Which was known as bronze. So bronze can be said an alloy of tin and copper. Now the question comes, what does the word alloy means? So alloy means mixture of different elements. Mixture of different elements is called an alloy. Okay, till here the things were in a progressive stage. The early man were progressing with every time, with every age that they were growing up. But their works like cultivation, agricultural, or different works were not in a very fruitful manner. Were not very confined or not very easy one. They were finding it difficult to do difficult tasks with the discoveries that they have had, like with the discoveries like of copper and tin. They could not do difficult tasks. Difficult tasks would be like if they wanted to cut a tree, they could not cut a tree. If they wanted to clean a forest, they could not do it because copper and tin are meant for light works. They cannot be involved in doing some heavier works. Okay, so for heavier work, some heavier metal was required. And then came a new discovery, a new invention, that was iron. Iron was discovered. Okay, so iron was the best metal, or iron was the metal which was comparatively heavier than copper or tin. Now, many of the works could be easily done when the iron was discovered. Like cultivation of crops could be easily done, agriculture could be done, minting of different coins could be done, cleaning of an area or a forest could be easily done now. Okay, different tools or equipments could be made like sickles, loaves, all these axes, all this could be easily made with the help of the iron. So iron played a prominent role in India in the shaping up of the civilization of the early man. The early man learned to be civilized. It was with the help of the iron. So you can say that iron played a key role, a prominent role in shaping up the life of the early man. That is why they turned out to be a civilized person in the latter part of the history. Basically, at the international level or at the global level, at the world level, the 1500 BC is the period when the iron age was discovered. Means 1500 BC was the time period when the discovery of iron took place at the global level, at the international level. But in India, this discovery or this invention is believed to have taken in 1000 BC. Okay, we believe that, our historians believe that this discovery in India took place in a period around 1000 BC. Okay, so that is the time period that you can see, or that is important that you must know. When did the discovery of iron took place in India? That is around 1000 BC, which is even known as later Vedic period in India. Later Vedic period in India. Now, important Chalcolithic sites that I would like to tell you. There are some important Chalcolithic sites wherein you can still find some Chalcolithic metals are being used, or the copper metals are being used for different purposes. The sites are basically Rajasthan, Ganga Yamuna Doab, and Bihar. The three places that historians have noted down that we can still see the some remains of the Chalcolithic age being existing at different places, like in Ganga Yamuna Doab, or you can Bihar, you can find in Rajasthan, you can find wherein people are using the metals which were discovered during the Chalcolithic age. So class, this is all about the Chalcolithic age, which you need to recall in mind. Why this age is considered to be a copper age, or why this age is considered to be a metal age, because the discovery of metals took place in this era only. Copper was the first metal to be discovered by the early man, and later on it got followed up with the other metals like tin, iron, and as and when the need arrived, people again discovered many new metals. So this era or this age has played a significant role in shaping up the life of the early man. So this is believed to be a tremendous change maker age wherein a lot of changes took place in the human activities and all the works that they were associated with. Okay class, it's till here only. In the next class we shall deal with the exercise part. Thank you. Take care.